chess is a classic strategy game that has been enjoyed for centuries. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this step-by-step tutorial will help you learn the basics of how to play chess. Familiarize yourself with the chess board and pieces. The chess board is divided into 64 squares of alternating colors, usually black and white. The chess pieces consist of the following. King. The most important piece on the board, the king can only move one square in any direction. Queen. The most powerful piece on the board, the queen can move in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Rook. The rook can move horizontally or vertically. Bishop. The bishop can move diagonally. Knight. The knight moves in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction, then 1 square in a perpendicular direction. Pawn. Pawns move forward 1 square, but capture diagonally. Understand the objective of the game. The objective of chess is to put the opponent's king in checkmate, which means that the king is in a position where it is threatened with capture and cannot escape capture. Learn the basic rules of movement. Each chess piece has its own unique movement pattern. The king can move 1 square in any direction, the queen can move in any direction, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, the rook can move horizontally or vertically, the bishop can move diagonally, the knight moves in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction, then 1 square in a perpendicular direction, and pawns move forward 1 square, but capture diagonally. Understand the concept of check and checkmate. Check is when a player's king is under attack. The opponent must get the king out of check in the next move. Checkmate is when a player's king is in check and there is no way to get out of check. If a player's king is in checkmate, the game is over and the opponent wins. Learn how to castle. Castling is a move that allows the king to be moved 2 squares towards a rook on the player's first rank, then that rook moves to the square the king crossed. Learn how to promote pawns. When a pawn reaches the opponent's side of the board, it can be promoted to any piece except a king. Learn the special moves of pawns. Pawns have 2 special moves, en passant, and promotion. En passant is a move that allows a pawn to capture an opponent's pawn that has only moved 2 squares on its first move, and promotion is when a pawn reaches the opponent's side of the board, it can be promoted to any piece except a king. Learn how to play the game. Now that you know the rules and movement of each piece, you can start playing chess against an opponent. Alternately move your pieces to try and put the opponent's king in checkmate. Keep practicing. The more you play chess, the better you will become at the game. Try playing against different opponents, and analyze your games to learn from your mistakes. Learn from chess books, videos and online resources. There are many resources available to help you improve your chess game, including books, videos, and online tutorials. By using these resources and practicing regularly, you can become a skilled chess player in no time. With this step-by-step tutorial, you should be able to understand the basic rules of chess and start playing the game. Remember, the key to success in chess is practice and learning from experience. As you play more games, you will develop a better understanding of strategy and tactics, and be able to make more informed decisions on the chessboard. Additionally, studying chess openings and common endgame scenarios can also improve your game. Don't be discouraged if you lose some games, this is a normal part of learning and improving. Analyze your games to understand where you made mistakes and what you can do to avoid them in the future. Also, it's important to remember that chess is a game of patience and perseverance. It takes time and practice to master the game, but with dedication and hard work, you can become a strong chess player. In summary, this tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to play chess. It covers the basics of the chessboard and pieces, the objective of the game, the rules of movement for each piece, concepts such as check and checkmate, and special moves like castling and pawn promotion. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of practice and learning from experience, as well as using resources like chess books and videos to improve your game. It also reminds the learners to not be discouraged by losing some games and to use them as learning opportunities. And lastly, it highlights that chess is a game of patience and perseverance, and with dedication and hard work, anyone can become a strong chess player.